Hello students, good morning. How are you all? Fine? Good. Yeah, last week we studied about a lesson that was activity time. Do you remember? We studied about activity time and then we did classification of things, correct? You can say nouns. We did classification of nouns according to their category. For example, if the column was of fruits, then we selected all fruits and written in one column, then flowers, vegetables and things, correct? And then after that we studied about who am I, correct or not? Some work is given of some person and then what work that person has done, we have to gaze and then write down who am I. Okay, and today we are going to start with new lesson. The name of our lesson is 2.3. Let's speak. What is name of our lesson? Let's speak. In this lesson you have to, first of all, you remove your page number 20, lesson number 2.3. Let's speak. In this lesson simply you have to see the picture, and after seeing picture, that picture is of whom you have to see, and then you have to write down one or two sentences about that picture or the person who is there in the picture. Okay, now here there are 6 pictures. How many pictures are there? 6 pictures are there. Now first picture is of doctor. Of whom it is? The first picture is of doctor, so we have to write down one or two sentences of doctor. Second picture is of policewoman. Policewoman, where do we see? We see policewoman on traffic signals, correct or not? And there are some policewomen who controls the crime, correct? Some are in police station. Third one is conductor. What conductor does? He is taking money from the passenger, correct? Fourth one is farmer. He is having some equipments with him or implements of farm with him, and he is standing over there. So we are going to write down one or two sentences about farmer. Next one is soldier, correct? And sixth one is chef. Okay, now first one is question number 1A. Look at the pictures and say 2 to 3 lines about them. Now in your workbook also this question is there. Whatever sentences I'll give you now, that all sentences you have to write down in your workbook. Are you understanding? First one is doctor. What is first one? Doctor. Now what doctor does when we go to doctor? आपण दवाखान्यात गेल्यानंतर डॉक्टर काय करतो आपल्याला? तो तपासतो, right? He treats us. Treats means what? There is a stethoscope in his hand, then he checks your parts of the body with the help of stethoscope, and then he understands what disease you have got or what you are suffering from. Okay, why you have illness. Are you getting or not? तुम्ही का आजारी आहात ते बघण्याचं काम कुणाचं आहे? डॉक्टरचं. सो आय विल गिव्ह यू 2 sentences about doctor. Doctor is what? A person who treats people. A person who treats people who are ill. Who are ill means what? The people, those who are sick, correct or not? The work of a doctor is what? To see whether the person is sick. But then if he is sick, even if the person is sick, then what disease he is having, he is suffering from what? Karte ka? And if they are not able to find out it, then what they are telling? They are telling you to do blood test, they are telling you to do urine test, right? That is work of doctor. One more sentence about a doctor is a person with medical degree. Doctor is what? He is a person with medical degree. He is a person with medical degree. Understood? I have given you 2 sentences. Can you see properly? दिसता है ना? Okay. Second one is police woman. Now woman means what? Man means male, and police woman means what? Means lady. Okay. feminine gender. Are you understanding or not? So about police women, what we are going to write down is she controls and regulates Ava. She controls and regulates. She controls and regulates. What she regulates? What she controls? She controls and regulates the traffic. Correct? She controls and regulates the traffic. Whatever traffic is there on the signals, that traffic is controlled by whom? That traffic is controlled by police women, or you can say policemen. Now the policemen is also there. There are policemen also and police women also. Women are everywhere now. Women are in all fields. Okay. So she controls and regulates the traffic is the first point. If you want to write some more points, then what you can write? She avoids traffic jam. Okay, that also you can write down. But I have given you only one sentence. One sentence is enough. Understood? Third person which we have seen is conductor. Third person which we are going to see is conductor. What conductor does? Now you are seeing conductor where we see conductors in the buses. Correct or not? We have red buses, Mahamandal buses, right? Maharashtra is having government buses. Those buses are taking people, or those buses are used for transportation from one place to another. एका जागेवरून दुसऱ्या जागेवरती जायचं असेल तर आपण कशाने जातो? बसने जातो. And those buses are what? Those buses are government buses. So conductor, what conductor is doing? What is the role of conductor? The main role of conductor is to take money or to collect money from passengers, those who are sitting in the bus. Okay. So I am writing the bus conductor collects. The bus conductor collects money from the passengers. Money from the passengers. Is it correct? Yes. More work of conductor is what? Wherever passenger want to get down, okay, wherever passenger want to get down, conductor helps them to get down on the right place. Are you understanding or not? If you want to get down on the correct place, wherever you want to get down, conductor helps driver to stop the bus. Are you getting on? You can write down one more sentence. Conductor helps passenger to get down and get in. Okay. I will write down second point. The conductor helps the passengers to get down. Passengers to get down and get in, get out and get in the bus. Get down from the bus and get in the bus. Okay, that both works are done by whom? Both works are done by conductor. That is our third person. Fourth person which we are going to study is farmer. Now the important role of a person in our life, in everybody's life, is farmer. If he will not grow crops, people, those who are staying in cities, will not get food grains, they will not get vegetables. Are you understanding? They will not get fruits, they will not get flowers. Correct or not? They use so many flowers to put in the hair and all. If farmer will not grow it, no one will get it. So farmer is the most important part of the survival, or you can say most important person of survival. So first point I am going to write is farmer grows crops in the field. The farmer grows crops in the field. And you can write down, he also helps people, those who stay in the cities, by providing them by many other things. Okay, goods. Understood? How many are over? 1, 2, 3, 4. More 2 are left. The next one is soldier. Now, what is role of soldier? The soldier is a soldier on borders. They are taking care of our country. They are not allowing terrorists to get inside our country and destroy our country. So a soldier is the guardian. Guardian means what? He guards our country. So a soldier is the guardian, is the guardian of a nation. He protects our country. He protects our country. You can write down, he protects our country from terrorists, you can say, or from the outsiders who come inside the country. Okay, A point and B. In this way, how many are over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are over, and only one is left, that is chef. Now what chef does? Chef is a person who cooks food for people. Now where should I write it? But I'll write down here. Chef, he is a person who cooks food for everyone, or you can say who cooks food for people. We see him in the hotels. Where do we see chefs? We see chefs most probably in the hotels. In this way we have completed. See here now. Chef, he is a person who cooks food for people. We see him in the hotels. In this way we have completed 6 people. Okay, doctor, policewoman, conductor, farmer, soldier and chef. Have you understood? Please complete this in your workbook and write down importance of these people in your English notebook also. Okay, thank you.